Let's take a look at this item. People in many parts of the United States have become used to dividing their household waste products into different categories for recycling. Regardless, paper may go in one container, glass and aluminum in another, regular garbage in a third. So I want to take a look here at this underlined word, regardless. And if I look at my answer choices below, what I can see here is I have 4 answer choices, and I'm looking all at the transition word. And so I know that I need to choose the appropriate transition word. All of these would be grammatically correct. The punctuation is correct. I just need to figure out which word works best. So if I take a look at this first sentence, it's talking about how people divide their household waste products into different categories. And then if I look after the transition word, I have those categories. Paper goes in one container, glass and aluminum in another, regular garbage in a third. And regardless is thinking like, despite this idea, I might put them into different categories. So that doesn't really make sense. If I look at however is kind of a but. So if I divide my household waste products into different categories, recycling, and then I say, but paper may go in one container, etc., that doesn't really make sense either, because what I'm doing is giving examples of those categories. Furthermore doesn't quite do it either, because it's not giving me further information about the different categories. I'm literally giving examples of the categories. So D, for example, is our best choice for this particular piece. Let's read it through with that. People in many parts of the United States have become used to dividing their household waste products into different categories for recycling. Replace this with D, for example. Paper may go in one container, glass and aluminum in another, regular garbage in a third. And that works.